Recently I showed you how to get rid of any hidden dirt inside your Dyson V6 filter, but today I'm going to show you how to clean the second filter on your Dyson V6. This is going to help get rid of any nasty smells, it's going to improve your airflow and also your overall performance. We need to remove the battery for safety before we go into this filter. To do this, pull down on this red tab and then that's going to open the flap on your bin. So if your bin has got dust in, make sure you're over a bin. Then pull down the red tab again and then this allows you to pull away the bin. Now we can access the screws that hold the battery in place. There's one here which we undo, and then round the back of the vacuum cleaner there's one here to undo. Now we need to get this cover off. You need a flat-headed screwdriver for this, and we're going to put it where it joins the body, and we're not going to hack away at it and damage all the plastic. We're just going to turn the screwdriver and then this allows you to pull the cover off. Inside you'll see two foam filters. We're going to take these out and clean them. They're probably full of dust. I spray mine with a little bit of disinfectant and then run it under a warm tap, squeezing all the dirt out. Then once they're clean, we need to leave them to dry thoroughly before we put them back in the vacuum cleaner. Give the cover a quick brush out and a wipe with a microfiber cloth, and then when the filters are dry we can put them back in. The long one goes round the outside and the middle one fits into the shape of the housing. To refit, it just simply push fits back onto the housing and we can replace our battery with the two screws that were holding it in place. And then we need to put the bin on. There's a little catch here on the front of your cyclone that fits into this little hole here on the bin. Put that in first and then push up the bin and that'll click into position. Close the lid and you're ready to vacuum again. I do hope this video has helped. This next one is showing you how to get rid of the hidden dust inside your comb filter, the video I mentioned at the beginning of this one. Also, I have loads of V6 help videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and that way if you need me in future I'll be really easy to find.